Most people get this wrong when they start an LLC. They think once the business makes money, they can just transfer funds to their personal account anytime. But here's the truth no one tells you. How you pay yourself depends on your LLC structure, and doing it wrong can create tax problems later. In this video you'll learn exactly how to pay yourself from your LLC in 2026, step by step, without confusion or compliance mistakes. Let's get straight into it. First, you need to understand one key idea. Your LLC is not your personal wallet. If you are like Alex or Jake, just starting a business, this separation is critical. Every payment you take from the business must follow a method that matches your tax setup. Now here's where it gets interesting. There are three main ways LLC owners pay themselves. The first is owner's draw. This is the simplest method and is commonly used by single-member LLCs. You simply transfer money from your business account to your personal account. But here's the problem. You still need to track it properly for taxes. The second method is salary. This applies if your LLC is taxed as an S corporation. In this setup, you become an employee of your own company. John, a consulting business owner, switched to this structure when his income grew because it helped him separate salary from profit distributions. The third method is profit distribution. This is when you take money based on business profits after expenses. It is common in multi-member LLCs, where ownership is shared. But it must follow operating agreement rules, not random withdrawals. But here's what most beginners miss. No matter which method you use, bookkeeping is not optional. Every payment must be recorded correctly. If you skip this, your taxes can become messy. And in some cases, you could face penalties or audits. Now let's talk about timing. Many new owners pay themselves too early. They see money in the business account and withdraw it immediately. But a smarter approach is to wait until income is stable and expenses are covered. This keeps your business financially healthy. Another important point is taxes. Even if you pay yourself through draws or distributions, you still owe taxes on your profits. Many founders misunderstand this and assume withdrawals are tax-free. They are not. So here's the simple takeaway. Paying yourself from an LLC in 2026 is not complicated, but it must follow structure. Choose the correct method based on your LLC type, keep clean records, and never mix personal and business finances. If you found this helpful, like the video, leave a comment with your LLC questions, and subscribe for more clear step-by-step business guides.